Good morning, students. Today I am going to give you a demo in CIPHER. This is your first lab exercise. Okay, I am going to run it in an online compiler. I am implementing the code in Java. Okay, so in Java we have a class and we have a main function. Within the class we have two methods. One is encrypt, another one is decrypt. The CIPHER is nothing but a subscription technique. It substitute one character with some other character. It performs character by character operation to generate a ciphertext. Okay, the encryption operation performs a ciphertext and the decryption operation gives the corresponding plain text. Okay, so in the main program we just call the method using a plain text and a key. So in the main program I uses two variables. One is message, another one is key. The message is nothing but Anna University and the key value is 3. So if, for example, if I am taking character by character means if A I am taking and I am using a key 3 means it just substitute A with the corresponding third letter, that is D. Okay, this is what we are going to perform in the program. Okay, now I am going to call the method with encrypt with two parameters. One is message and the another one is key. Okay, so this method contains a variable called result. This is used for storing the ciphertext value, and your shift variable is nothing but the key value. So what the shift contain is, it just limits the number from 0 to 25 because we have only 26 alphabet. So for to limit that we are using shift percentage 26. So we are limiting the number to 0 to 25. Okay, next what we are going to do is we are going to call a looping function to perform character by character. Okay, what the variable ch contain, it takes the present variable. Okay, it takes the present variable, that is present character, that is A. So next I am having a condition statement. It checks whether the given character is in uppercase or not. Okay, suppose if the character is in uppercase means it just perform an operation to shift that with the corresponding uppercase letter. Okay, what it is doing is in CH what it takes is it just char minus A. So your single quotes A is nothing but the variable value, that is 65. CH is suppose A means 65 minus 65 is 0. 0 plus shift. Shift is nothing but 3. That is we have a 3. Okay. Then what we are doing is we are taking A, which is nothing but 65. 65 plus 3 is 68. 68. Okay. So 68 is equivalent to your letter D. Okay, so this will be converted to letter using this function, that is we are converting explicitly. Okay, using that char. So what the CH contain is, it contains the character D for your plain text A. Okay, likewise it process for all the characters in the plain text. Suppose if the letter is in lower case means then it performs the same operation and it converts that is it replaces with a lower case letter. Okay, the final result takes all the characters in a ciphertext. Okay, that will be written to the main function. Okay, next I am calling the decrypt function. That is decrypt. It contains two variables, that is encrypted and key. Encrypted is nothing but your character, that is for A means it takes D and your value key. Here what it takes is it just performs a reverse operation, that is you are having 26 minus shift. So 26 minus 3 is nothing but 23. So it takes the key value as 23 with the text, for example. For A, it takes D. Okay, so then it calls the same encrypt function to perform the operation in the reverse order. So for the key value 23 and your character D means it returns the corresponding A value. Okay, this is what it happened. Okay, I am now going to run the program. So for this is the output of the program. For example, I am taking the input is Anna University. It takes letter by letter. So first letter is A. So using that A, you are going to perform encryption function and it returns D. Likewise, it performs for the remaining letters. The decrypted function also performs the same thing in a reverse order. So only drawback here in CIPHER is if the plain text contains repetition, means the same repetition will be repeated in the ciphertext also. Okay, thank you students. You can run this program either in the NetBeans or in the Notepad. Okay, thank you.